Kimberly "Baby Doll" Harris is a trend-blazing figure in the world of female bodybuilding. Born in Richmond, Virginia, Harris began her competitive journey in 1996 at the Joe Turner Classic Amateur Show. Her dedication and hard work paid off when she qualified for pro status at the 2000 Nationals in New York City. Harris' competitive highlights include winning the middleweight class at the 2000 Nationals, the 2001 Pro Extravaganza, and the 2003 New York Pro Show. She is known for her elegant stage presence, combining her muscular physique with grace and femininity. Beyond her athletic accomplishments, Harris emphasizes the importance of discipline, desire, and heart in bodybuilding. She believes these principles have also contributed to her success in her corporate life. Harris considers the bodybuilding community her extended family, likening competitions for family reunions where everyone catches up on news and events. Harris' motto: "When you believe you will achieve," reflects her positive mindset and determination to succeed. She strives to inspire others with her journey, demonstrating that with dedication and self-belief, anything is possible.